Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I'm going to explain logical operator in Python. What are logical operator? Logical operator क्या होते हैं? Actually, logical operator are used to combine more than one conditions, and it is used in decision making like if, elif, and else. Help control the flow of a program. Types of logical operators: and all conditions must be true, or at least one condition must be true, and not is reverse the result. For example, here you have written one condition. You have written if, and you have written condition 1 is here, and condition 2 is here. Now, here you will write one operator, maybe in terms of and, or not. Here you will write. If you will write and operator, okay, suppose you can think that this is condition A and this is condition B. Suppose A condition is false and B condition is also false. It's possible? Yes. Maybe A condition is false, B is true. Maybe A is true and B is false. Maybe both conditions are true. Okay, this is the maximum possibility. In case of if you are using and here, and it means A and B, what will be the result? Mean all condition must be true. If any one of the condition is false, the result will be false. False and false, result will be false. False and true, because one is false, no need to see next. Result will be false. Next, true. If true, may be possible next will also true, but next one is false. In case of true, false, result will be false. True, true, all conditions are true, then result will be true. Okay, and if you have mentioned A or B, in case of or, if any one of the condition is true, result will be true. For example, A false, B is also false, result will be false. A is false, B is true, result will be true, because any one of the condition is true, result will be true. First condition is true, no need to see next condition, just you can write true. A is true, no need to see next condition, all the conditions is true. Okay, and if you are implementing suppose not of A, then what will be the result of not A of A? You can implement any condition in terms of not. That will give you reverse. Not of A says false, but not says true. A is false, but due to not it will be true. A is true, due to not it will be false. A is true, due to not it will be false. This is at logical operator. Okay, types of logical operator, and we can say that and all condition must be true, or at least one condition must be true. Example using and. If you are using and, x equal to 5, okay, 5 is greater than equal to 1, yes, condition is true, and x is less than 5 means 5 is less than 5, yes. See, t and t, one is true, other one is also true, result will be true, output will be true. Reason, both conditions are true. Example of using or operator. X equal to 12, 12 is less than 10, no, false. Or x equal to 12, yes. One is false and other one is true, or inside is or. In case of or, the result will be true. The reason one condition is true. Example using not. X equal to true. Print not of x means if it is true, it will be false and result will be false. Not change true to false. Quick summary and all condition must be true or only one condition must be true. Not reverse the false. Reverse true to false and false to true. Program task 1. Write a program to check if a number is between 1 and 10. For example, you will take a number n equal to integer and input a number, okay, and you will check that if n is greater than equal to 1 and n is less than equal to 10, then print number is in between of 1 and 10. Else you can print number is not in between 1 and 10. Okay, you can give this message if and else. And you have used here and. Write a program that check if a student pass. Marks should be greater than 40 and marks is less than equal to 100. Same way you are getting the marks equal to integer and input, enter the number, enter the marks. Okay, you will enter the marks here and marks will be stored into variable marks. And now you are checking that if marks is greater than 40 and marks should be less than equal to 40. Okay, less than 40, then print, you can say that print pass. Okay, else you can display a message, else print fail. Okay, now this is in second program. Clear? And I hope you understand all this. Task number 3. Write a program that check if a person can vote. Age must be greater than or equal to 80 and be a citizen. Example, I am giving these conditions. Write if age greater than equal to 18 and citizen equal to true. Okay. Then what you will do? You will get an age before and after this you can send a message. Okay. Print. You can get a message print. Can be cast a vote. Cast a vote. Okay. Else print not eligible. Not eligible. You can give this message. Okay. And before this you need to ask the age. And you can get age equal to integer and then input age. You ask the age and then they will check that age. Okay, student, clear? Now multiple choice question. Which operator needs all condition to be true? That is AND operator. In case of AND, all the condition must be true. Multiple choice question 2. Which operator needs only one condition to be true? OR operator. Okay. Not true gives false. Okay. Because not true. Question number 4. 5 greater than 3. That is the true. And 5 is less than 10. And this one is also true. 5 is less than 10. Yes. 5 is greater than 3. Yes, true. Result will be true. 9 greater than 10. False. Or 9 equal to 9. Yes, true. One of the condition is true. Result will be true. Not 4 is less than 2. Actually, 4 is less than 2. False. Due to this not, it will be true. Multiple choice question number 7. Which operator reverses the result? That is not. Okay, this is the solution. You can refer this solution.